This area is a metadata pane, but this one, just on the right side to the metadata pane, we do have a particular pane, and that one is called data preview pane. Okay, that particular thing is called data preview pane. So where we can see the data exactly. Here we are able to see this data, right? All the rows, all the different columns, we are able to see over here. And that is because this particular pane is known as data preview pane. Okay, let's move ahead now. So now we are having this particular sheet over here with us. This sheet 1. This sheet 1 basically going to tell us that this is the data source pane that we are dealing with. But now we can go to the worksheet in order to create our visual. So you just need to click on this particular tab where it is written sheet 1 in the orange color. So the moment you are going to click over there, you will be seeing another window on your screen, and where you are able to see the worksheet. Okay, so now I'm going to just click over here. Now let's go to the sheet 1. If in case you want to go back to the data source pane, then you just need to click on this particular button, data source. Otherwise, you need to click on sheet 1 to get this particular window on your screen. Let me introduce you with the few of the components of this window. First of all, we are having data pane over here. Under this data, we are able to see the name of our table and the data source. Like we are using order table from the simple superstore data source, right? Under this pane, we are having all the different columns. So because we are getting all that things, then all the columns under the data, because this is our data that we are going to use. So we particularly call it data source pane. This area is known as data source pane. But the moment we are going to change it to analytics, then it will become analytics pane. And the options will also get changed. Apart from this, we do have some other areas. For instance, this page pane, then this one filter area. Whatever columns we are going to put into this area, we can apply the filters on it. Then there is marks card. Marks card is basically used to format your visual. If you want to give it some colors, if you want to change the size of it, if you want to write something on it by putting the labels, or you want to show something in detail, or maybe you just want to show something when you are going to hover on your visuals. These kind of things can be possible with the help of marks card. Apart from marks card, we do have two shelves with us. One is this one, that is known as column shelf. Whatever data, whatever column that you want to represent as a visual in the column form, then you need to drag that particular field, that particular column onto this shelf, column shelf. And if you want to represent it into the rows form horizontally, then you need to drag it and drop it into this shelf, this rows shelf. And this is the main area where we are going to create our visual. This is the worksheet where all your visuals will be present. So let's get started how we need to create the visuals in the Tableau. So to create the visual, first I need to show you how many visuals do we have with our Tableau software. So for that, I'll be going to the exact right side of my screen where we are having Show Me tab. So you just need to click over here and you will be able to see different visuals. But right now, these all visuals are faded away. So the moment you are going to take your cursor on the particular visual, you will be able to see the requirements that they do need in order to use that particular visual. For instance, for creating a table, we do need at least one or more dimension, one or more measure. In order to create the map, we should have one column with the geodata. It could be country, state, city, postal code, anything. And then we need 0 to 1 dimension and measure also, right? So these are the requirement of the different visual.